Green peas cooked together with smokies. This recipe is worth trying because it's saucy, flavorful, delicious, and perfect as a side dish. The best part about this recipe is that it has proteins, lots of vegetables, and it's absolutely easy and simple to prepare. So grab yourself some green peas and smokies and let's make this delicious dish. When the ingredients are this simple, I'm always excited. So you're going to get started by placing a pan or a pot over medium flame and add in cooking oil enough to shallow fry your smokies. I'm using chicken smokies over here and I absolutely love the flavor that the smokies have. So once the oil is hot, you're going to carefully place in your smokies into the cooking oil and shallow fry for around 1 minute per side to get that golden brown color. Remember, the smokies are ready to eat, so all I'm doing is adding some color to the smokies, and it's been 1.5 minutes and the smokies are almost ready. Because I've prepped up the rest of the ingredients, the recipe is going to be very fast. Once my smokies are ready, I'm going to transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil. And in the same pan, I'm going to be adding in 1 onion. I'm using the same oil because it's full of flavor since I fried my smokies. You're going to saute your onions for around 1.5 minutes or until they get that lovely golden brown color. Then next you're going to be adding in 3 cloves of garlic that are minced into the pan. The garlic is going to add in so much flavor to the recipe. Stir in the garlic and cook for 30 seconds or until the raw garlic flavor is gone, and you can see how lovely the onions are looking. So watch over your onions because you don't want them to brown too much. You're going to add in carrots at this point and stir in, and the carrots are going to add in a very nice vibrant orange color to the dish. So I'm going to give this around 1 minute. As my carrots are cooking, I'm going to be adding in a tablespoon of tomato paste. Add in my seasoning. So I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Stir in the seasoning together with the tomato paste and add in a splash of water. Then you're going to give this around 1 minute as you chop up your smokies. Lovely. So I'm going to pick my smokies and chop into medium sizes. Then you're going to check on your pan. After cooking my carrots for around 2 minutes, they have softened up and ready. So I'm going to be adding in parboiled green peas to my pan. I love freezing green peas because they always come in handy, and you can always add the green peas into any recipe. stir in the water and just look how saucy the green peas are looking like at this point. So also at this point, you're going to be checking the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in more salt. I absolutely love how the dish is looking at this point. So I'm going to be adding in my sliced smokies into the pan as well. Toss everything together. And wow. Add in another half a cup of water so that the smokies can cook together with the green peas, the delicious tomato gravy. And please don't forget to check the seasoning. Then I'm going to let this simmer on low for around 3 to 5 minutes. Over here, I have some yogurt and some coriander for garnishing my delicious dish. After 5 minutes, you're going to check on your pot. And this is how the green peas should be looking at this point. You can see how saucy the green peas are. So I'm going to be adding in some plain yogurt to add in some creaminess to the green peas. Immediately you add in the plain yogurt into the pan, the tomato gravy is going to look so creamy and absolutely gorgeous. So you're going to stir in and give the yogurt around a minute so that it can cook together with the green peas, smokies, carrots, and all the goodness in the pan. Check on my pan, and this is how your green peas cooked together with smokies should be looking like. So delish. So lastly, I'm going to garnish with some coriander, which is also going to add in lots of flavor. Stir in the coriander. Perfect. Put out the flames and serve your delicious green peas cooked together with smokies. It's been around 20 minutes, including the prep time for cooking my delicious green peas cooked together with smokies, and everything has turned out amazing. You can double up the amounts of ingredients and make for your entire family. So this recipe is for around 2 to 3 people, and I hope you'll be trying out this delicious recipe, which is very saucy.